How you can fix Instagram black screen issue. So let's get started. But before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeful tech videos like this one. Now, if you open your Instagram app and then you find that there is a black screen, or the feed is looking black, entire feed is black. So there might be some glitch or error in the Instagram app itself. So how you can fix that? So firstly, what you need to do, you have to simply go to your settings, and then you have to simply go to the apps in the Android, and in the iOS you can simply go to the general section, then tap on the manage apps, and from here you have to simply tap like the Instagram, then open that, and from here tap on the storage, and then here you can see the clear data in the very bottom. Tap on the clear data and then tap on the clear cache, and then tap on the OK button. What it will do, it will refresh the Instagram app by clearing all the caches or all that things. So in the iOS you can simply go to the settings, and then you can go to the general settings. After that you can go to the iPhone storage, and then you can find your Instagram app, and then you can offload the Instagram app. So after doing all this thing, you can simply again open your Instagram app, and if it is still not working, then what you need to do, you can simply log out of your account, and then you can again log in into your account. But if it is still not working, you can simply turn off your device by holding the power button like this, and then you can simply tap on the power off, or you can, and after that you have to restart your account and then open your Instagram app. So that's how you can solve that. But if you are still facing that, you can simply update your Instagram app. So that's how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now see you